Let's see how to see many pages a Microsoft Word document is. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we're working with a particularly long document and we want to restrict this document into a particular amount of pages. Now, we can manually go over every page and count how many pages we have. However, for longer documents, that might be too much of a hassle. Luckily, Microsoft Word has a feature that will allow us to automatically see how many pages we have in our document. And to do that, simply look at the status bar at the bottom left right here. You should be able to see the number of pages and the number of words that your document has. And currently, I have mine enabled so I can see how many pages I have. However, customize this status bar. Simply click on an empty part of the status bar, right click. Now, let's say that we have page number hidden. As you can see right here on the bottom left, we can see how many page numbers we have. And to enable page numbers, simply click on page numbers right there, and you should be able to see it again. And that is how you can see how many pages your Microsoft Word document has. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.